So today, what are we making again?
Making chicken nuggets from
Yes.
scratch and chips.
Is it are we doing a mukbang?
Yes, we're going to make the food first.
Yes.
And I'm going to do a mukbang today.
Yeah.
What's a mukbang exactly though?
So where you sit down and eat and where you talk to your subscribers. It's actually a Japanese word for broadcast eating. Alright, so should we get into it? So here we've got some chicken, we've got egg wash, we've got flour, we've got breadcrumbs, and then just for me, the girls obviously can't eat it, is some flaming hot Cheetos.
Show me.
I'm going to coat my nuggets in that.
And then
I have already tried one and they are super duper hot.
Before. Wait, Mum took a bite.
And I took a little teeny bite. You can't even see it.
We're on the iPad again today. We're hoping that the picture quality works out better than last time. Are they hot? They are super duper hot.
I feel a bit of burn.
They burn your mouth. Oh. Good girl. Told you they're hot.
Wait, I nearly had the whole thing.
I did tell you.
I need a drink.
Hi guys. I have a lazy top.
I need some of that drink. I need some of that drink.
Oh, can you see our cat going crazy?
That's the one that had babies right over there.
We haven't been able to show you the babies yet.
Wait, can I go show them?
No, not right now. Your room's a mess. That's our beautiful Lala. That's Leah's cat. And that is Tiger. That's my son's cat.
His
And the
name
one
is...
grunting over there is Mira, our Staffy.
She's a rescue.
She is.
Hi, Tiger.
Alright, so girls, I'm going to have to get you to do some filming
Okay,
while I show you how to do this quickly. We're going to have to get a move on because the oil is going to be extremely hot by now.
And guys, we're going to be filming us cooking.
My mouth is literally on fire and I did not have that much. Mum had way more than me. Oh my god.
It's hot.
But don't worry because I got my drink here.
I don't think that's going to work. You're going to have to hold it.
Me?
Alright, I hope I don't look too much of a mess.
You don't.
Here we go. Alright.
There's my beautiful mummy and she's going to cook all these.
Okay, so first, oh, crazy.
So we bought that thing.
My
So
mouth is
first
on
we need
fire.
to open the chicken.
Oh.
We got pre-cooked, pre-cut chicken. That bit really doesn't look good.
That does not look good.
Alright, so they're actually quite small pieces, which kind of sucks. So what we're going to do is, you get the chicken,
Yeah.
you dunk it in the egg,
Okay.
and you dunk it in the flour,
Okay.
Then you put it in this.
and then comes like that.
Mm-hmm.
Dip it back in the flour.
You mean egg?
Egg.
Then the bread crumbs.
I did tell you my brain's not operating today.
Yes.
Because
And then the
she's
breadcrumbs.
kind of sick.
I am. I can't get rid of this silly cold.
Ooh, that looks good already.
So there's one. One chicken nugget.
That's
If
all
you
done.
want them extra crunchy, you could do another layer.
Like another layer of
So
everything.
I'm going to do one more quickly because I want to do one with the spicy stuff on it.
Okay. Flour. Woo. And then...
Oh,
Wait, you forgot egg.
I know. It's alright, we'll see.
You can do another layer if you want. Extra layer.
Alright, so then we're going to duck it back in the egg.
Then back
And then
into
we're
here.
going to straight into the Cheeto mix.
Oh, wait, Mum, you forgot it on the other one.
Oh, let's see what it turns out like.
Oh, Mum, that's going to be really spicy though, because just don't bite.
No, some of the crumbs come off. Alright, oops a daisy.
Oh, that does not, that looks really spicy. That's the one, that's the normal, that's the really spicy one. My mouth is still on fire. I'm having a drink. Sorry if it doesn't, if you can't see it properly.
Okay, so I'll take the camera and you guys, girls, can give it a try.
I'm going first.
Okay, let's get this done.
I'm going first.
Alright, so I reckon mine looks really good.
So we grab these, the tongs. The tongs.
So yeah, I'll go over here and you go there. We'll swap spots for a change. Alright.
Yeah, wait, which one? Any?
Why is the camera not focusing? Oh, yep.
This one?
Yep, that will do.
Wait, egg?
In the egg, yep.
Egg first. Then
Flour.
flour.
Good
Then
job.
egg again.
And egg again.
Egg. And then the crunchiest part that I'm gonna have.
The crumbs.
You can barely even see it. That's how many crumbs are on here. So many crumbs.
So that's Destiny's one. Leah's turn now.
Yeah, it looks so
Wait,
close.
wait, here.
Hey, it looks so close.
They're only small, aren't they?
Yes. But we're gonna have plenty of them. These are for
Yeah.
dinner, guys. So, egg?
Destiny.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Yep. And then into the flour. Can you help her, please, sweetie?
Oh, here. Here.
She's getting the fork. That's a good idea.
There. Okay, pick it up. Now,
Back in the egg.
she's smart, Lena.
She's a good, clever girl.
Good job. That's good enough. Now we pick it up.
So we're trying to post more videos and be a bit more consistent. We realised we kind of fell off the wagon for a little while there. But we really need a big favour from everyone, and that is to share our videos, like, subscribe, and maybe tell your family and friends about us. We're a family-friendly channel. Yeah, the girls definitely want to try and get their YouTube channel a bit more active. So can you spread the word for us, please?
Yes, please do.
We are getting quite a few subscribers already. Sorry, I'm just going to move my chair back.
There you go. And then, okay, now my turn. Oh, that goes in there.
Okay, so how many have we got so far?
3.
3. Oh, they're looking good, girls.
1 for each. Oh, that looks spicy as, guys.
It does. I'm going to move back a little.
I do not want to. I'm gonna go for like a big one, kind of. Okay, that's like the biggest one I could find. And it's tiny.
That's a small one.
Well, still, like the one that's all together. There we go. I'm just gonna use the fork to. There's still a bit of nugget in here. Yeah, let's just do that. And then do this one.
And so we were going to do just a regular McDonald's mukbang, but the girls were like, we want to make something and then eat it.
We were like and
Off the bench, please. Don't sit on there in case you fall.
that there. We'll grab this out. In here. Sprinkle it on top.
Do you reckon they're going to be yum?
Yes, I can't wait to eat this.
Mummy,
Let's see.
can I make a hot one for you? Spicy.
Yeah, you can.
Wait, let me just
I'm
grab
going to
this.
make some more spicy ones in a minute. I'll just let you guys make some normal ones
I
first.
just want to quickly grab this one out of here because I don't want it just leaving here and then we don't eat it and then it's just going to be stuck in there forever. Sprinkle, 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 and sprinkle. There, that's... So we basically have 5 done right now because I'm
So in the flour we put some garlic salt, garlic powder, and some mixed herbs. Just to give it a bit of flavour and a little bit of salt and pepper.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, she nearly got that in her face. This spiciness is everywhere, Mum. It's about to go on all of our nuggets. Here, let me give you some extra spiciness. There you go, now it's extra spicy.
Sorry, girls, girls.
Just give me 1 moment, guys.
Okay, you having luck there, Leah? Do you want some help, sweetie?
No.
Good job. God, that egg is looking very flour. floury.
Mummy, I'm making
Whoa,
this
that's
one for you.
Oh yeah.
And then back an egg, back an egg, back an egg. And then into the spiciness. Do you know you can use, oh wait, there you go, okay?
Yep, that's fine.
Over there, quickly.
Now put it in the spicy one. Yep.
Get everyone.
Whoops, a daisy. Okay, have you got it?
Yeah.
Good job. Wow. Good girl. All right, how about you take the camera, Destiny, in a minute, and I will take over so we can go a little bit quicker. And we need to clean them tongs.
Yeah.
Pass them to Mama. That looks better. All right, here. There's our dog watching us.
You're a moo.
I'll rescue one.
Yes, I'll rescue beautiful girl.
And guys, if you don't know this yet, but our other dog his owner passed.
Yes. He got.
He's a rescue as well, isn't he?
Yes, he got hit by a train.
You don't need to tell them
You can
that. Some of these pieces are really small.
Yeah. Whoopsie.
It's that one. That one is really, really small. Right there.
Alright, so we're going to look for some decent pieces.
I've got a big piece.
That is the chicken, guys.
Even that bit doesn't look good. Sorry, I'm really fussy with meat.
Mhm. So am I. I don't really eat meat much. No.
Mummy,
Try not to get the tongs dirty again.
Yeah, that's kind of why I use the fork a little. And it's easier for the fork, so then there, round and round it goes. Pick into there.
I went into
Sprinkle it all around. Flip, flop, flip,
that's
flop.
the biggest one.
Is it? Sissy.
Yeah.
Ooh. Then another.
Can I make one now,
This
Mum?
chicken really is not the best. We should have just bought our own. And cut
Oh,
it.
Mama's gonna fall.
Oh.
Can I do one?
That is
Yep, 1 minute. Let's do this one
This-
quickly.
chicken right there.
Mama, maybe you
Mum,
should
this
make
zooms
one
in really
more.
far. I'm zooming it in so they can see it better.
It does zoom really far.
And then in
It's a
there.
very good iPad.
Yes. Best iPad.
That's why I'm so protective of it.
Yes.
I love that thing.
It's
Yeah.
already got 2 cracks.
Mum's
in it.
kind of got like 4 children because the iPad. She needs to look after this.
Yeah.
She wants to because it's very, very, very delicate to her. And it is delicate, kind of.
And it's an apple.
Yes, it is.
And there's an apple on the back that has a bite taken out.
Alright,
of it.
now what we're
got
going to
two
do is
of
we're going to start frying a few of these.
Yep.
See how they turn out.
Okay. Well, that's all of them right there. So
Wait,
that's
can I
one
make-
spicy.
We are going to do more.
Can I make one more right now?
That's the chicken, guys.
Just wait 1 sec, sweetie.
And then there's egg.
Alright,
The egg's
so-
basically... Guys,
You
the
bring
egg's
the camera-
basically gone.
If you bring the camera over here, you'll be able to see what happens when we put this in.
Okay. Wait, don't put it in the beginning. Where'd it go?
It should be nice and hot.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's not hot enough though.
What?
I turned it down because I thought it would burn. No, it's not hot enough.
Oh, do you need to take it out for a bit?
No.
Oh, yeah, because it just heat up.
If I
What's
take
in
it out,
there?
it just goes soggy.
There it is. Okay, can I pop one in?
No, we need to wait for it to warm
Oh,
up.
yes, I keep on forgetting.
Bleh.
Okay, I'm going to zoom back out. Whoa, I just zoomed in all the way, and now it goes far. Silly. Sorry, it keeps on getting zoomed in and out. Nothing's really happening much right now. Guys, do you like my scrunchie? That's my pink scrunchie. there's the tongs. They're dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty.
They're not that dirty. I just washed them.
Yeah, but they're still dirty.
And I'm helping my mommy.
There's the nuggie. And there's my mummy and sissy. Best parent ever. Best sister ever. Best mum ever.
You're so
Woohoo!
beautiful. I love you.
I love you too.
Mom,
Alright, not
This
much is
pepper-
happening.
Mom,
It
this
needs to get heated up. Oh, that does not look very appetizing right now.
bleh. Yucky. It looks yucky.
Destiny zooming right in on it.
I like zooming.
We
in.
might actually take this one out and throw it in the bin and let the oil heat up because that's just going to be soggy.
Yeah, true.
Sorry guys, we thought we'd heated the oil up a lot more.
Yes.
It's starting to heat up now, you can hear it.
Really?
Alright, so while we're waiting, I'm going to quickly do some more nuggets.
Okay.
Can I do one now?
Yep, but we're going to need more egg.
Okay, let's
Can I
get
do
this
the
started.
Can I do the egg by myself?
That's my beautiful
Can I
sister.
slap one?
Aaliyah,
Yeah, that's
look
what
at the
I'm
camera. That's my sister's beautiful face.
Alright.
Aaliyah, look here.
Hang on, sweetie, we're trying to do this.
Okay.
You have to go on the side, yep.
I'm zooming all the
Good job.
way.
And then into the bowl.
Into the bowl.
Did eggshell go in? Oh no.
Did
Pass
it
me the
some?
shell.
Did some go in?
I don't think so.
I think
Yeah.
a little bit did.
Here, Mom.
Guys, do you see any egg?
Show.
Oh, Sorry, guys. Is that egg? Oh no, it's not. I thought that was
I
egg.
don't think there is.
Can I give her a minute?
There is a bit of flour in there, but that's alright.
Mom.
Mom, is eating eggshell bad for you?
I can't imagine it'd be good, but it's not that bad.
Okay. Guys, there's the egg. Yum. Keep on mixing it, Leah. Don't worry.
Right, so we're just going to do a handful at the moment.
Ooh, that's good. Yeah, because then, oh, that's good. Ooh, look at that.
And then
Yummy.
we can just drop that into there.
Can I put one in?
Yep, 1 minute.
Can I do the last one?
No, oh,
Hang on a minute.
Sorry,
I think
guys,
we need a little bit
blurry.
more flour too.
it's a bit blurry. Oh, there we go.
Can I put?
There's the
Okay,
flour,
okay.
guys, and
Okay.
woohoo!
They get to rain. It's raining the buried one.
I'm going to put some more of this in. Get some good
And then you mix it a
flavour.
little. And then you mix that a little.
And then...
Sorry, I'm moving
It
around
doesn't
a
look
lot.
very good.
Okay.
Well, it didn't when you put the stuff in. The flour.
You guys so pretty, well, not really pretty, I could say. I can't say really pretty, but it looks good. There's
Can I
No wonder the friggin' egg's so floury.
Because there's too much flour everywhere.
Doesn't.
Guys, this is my drink. Mum got it today. Ooh.
It is Ribena.
Rabina.
Ribena.
Oh, Ribena.
Over in Queensland, we used to live near a place called Ribena.
Really?
Yeah. So we used to live on the Gold Coast for a year, a few years ago. Don't know where these are all viewing from, but the Gold Coast in Australia is absolutely
Are you
beautiful.
doing a double?
Ah, I mucked that one up, didn't I?
What?
I was meant to go on the crumbs and I forgot.
No. Did you do double flour?
Yeah, it'll just be extra crunchy, won't it?
It's alright. You mean extra floury?
No, because the flour cooks in the oil, silly.
Oh yeah! Silly me.
Oh,
Can't
no.
really see the plate. Can't really see the plate.
So I remember when you were little, I did something like this, Destiny, before I had a Leah.
How old was
I used to make you cheesy nuggets from scratch like
And
this.
guys,
And you used to love them.
not long until my birthday.
Yeah.
only 5 months and nearly 9 weeks Still 10, nearly 9.
Nearly 9. Yeah, so cute.
Nearly 9 weeks.
Alright, I'm gonna try one more time.
When I turn 10, it's gonna be the best birthday ever because I'm gonna be in my teens, kind of.
In your teens? No,
I mean,
you're
no,
not.
no, wait, sorry. My double digits.
Double digits.
Silly me, teens.
I was gonna slow down a minute.
When I'm
Not a
11, wait, Mum, is 11 teens?
No, 13.
13?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because there's no such thing as 12 teen or 11 teen.
11 is real.
Kind of.
No, it's
No,
not.
wait, no, it's not.
That's 11, not 11 teen.
I'm turning 11 teen, guys.
No, she's turning 8 million.
Ah, I'm too old.
Alright, it's starting to slowly cook.
Woohoo! I'm nearly gone. My juice is nearly gone.
Guys, I just want to show you a magic trick.
Okay.
See how I'm here? Close your eyes.
Okay. Hurry.
Where'd she go?
And whoa, she disappeared. Where'd she go?
Close your eyes.
Okay, there we go. Oh my god, she's back. That was cool.
I'll tell you my secret. I just ducked down.
Really?
Then
All the
came
way
back.
down.
Like that.
What?
Okay, the chicken's starting to cook.
See.
Looking good.
Really? Let's go see. I'm gonna quickly have a drink. Quickly. Sorry, guys.
I ducked down.
They can see. Bam.
I ducked down
Master.
like this.
Yes, she did. Okay, now here's the nuggies. So please don't get
Oh,
the
and guys,
Yes.
do you like my shoes?
Oh, amazing. Then here you go.
And they're fluffy.
Then there are all the nuggets. Yum.
Chicken
camera.
nuggies.
Take
Chicken
the camera.
nuggies.
Can I take the camera?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so we got 2 going. We got one of the spicy ones for me, and it was one, but it broke in half.
Wait, Mom, there's still chicken in here.
Sorry, guys, I could barely talk. My throat is so sore.
Mom, there's still chicken in here.
Hey, that's okay. We can always just do that in a minute. We've got to put the chips on too in a minute.
Whoa, sorry about that.
Alright guys, so we might leave the video here. Obviously you can see what we're doing and we'll be back soon. It's just hard to cook and do everything.
And guys, look, I'm sitting on the bench.
Oh my goodness, hop off there. Okay, we'll be back soon. Bye. Go.
Hi guys, we're back. And we have the food here.
And those are the flaming hot nuggies.
I haven't tried them yet.
We had a little nibble before off camera.
They look really, really good.
They are
We've got some
really
sour cream because they're going to be really spicy. Some tomato sauce. Now we're going to do a mukbang / question and get to know. So we did one yesterday on another video with Aaliyah.
Uh-huh.
But we never got the chance to ask Destiny because we got distracted. So I'm just going to quickly finish doing something and then we'll do a question and answers. Q&A as they call it.
Okay.
So you can keep eating. They do look really, really yummy.
Yeah. I never thought this, but my mum makes the best nuggets ever. And you said apparently off camera or something. Did you say off camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, off camera. That when I was younger, she used to make me cheese nugget thingies.
I said it on camera too, I think, yeah.
And
Cheesy nuggets, and you loved them because Chicken Treat first come out with them. Sorry guys, I'm just... One sec.
Really good.
Okay, oops. Sorry, a bit of a shaky hand. Alright, I really want to try mine.
Be careful, Mum. You should definitely use some of that.
I'm going to. Alright. Where is it?
Oh, those look dangerous to eat.
Ooh, they look so good.
They look good, but they look very dangerous too.
Oh,
They
where
look-
is it? Why can't you see my hand? Oh, there. It looks so good.
Ooh, make sure you have enough sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
Spicy.
So yummy.
Can I try a little bit of yours?
Mm-hmm. It tastes like KFC.
Really?
A little bit.
Mum,
I'm
try
adding
one
some
of
extra.
ours.
I
Try
can't,
one of our nuggets.
I sure will.
I
That's
can't
so
deal with
good.
it. I need a lot of this.
Look at their nuggets.
These
They
are
turned
our
out
nuggets.
So good.
Guys, this is
I only want a small one though.
this is when I'm about to try it. Ready? Oh.
Oh, you look
Wait,
so
the whole
pretty.
thing? The whole
It's
thing?
up to you.
Can I have the rest if I want?
You want? Mmm. Oh my god. They are so good. Definitely have to give this a try at home, guys. Homemade fresh nuggets, the best.
They're not spicy with that stuff.
Mmm.
They're not spicy a single bit.
Takes away a bit of the spiciness, doesn't it?
Yeah, I can't taste any spiciness. Probably because I
Mum,
add
can
flavor.
I try one of those nuggets? Can I
Oh,
try
you
that?
can, but it might be a little spicy.
I'm going to try it with that.
Oh, I'm gonna add some extra sauce.
Can I? I'm going to need a little more.
You mean a lot more? Okay, we're gonna ask
So-
some stuff.
Q&A time. Destiny, what is your middle name?
Marie.
Destiny Marie, isn't it? That's right. And what is your favourite colour?
Blue.
And how many best friends do you have?
One right now, I think. Yeah, one right now.
One right now. You're not into boys, are you?
No. Boys.
Boy jams.
Go somewhere else.
What's your favourite subject at school?
Favorite subject? Probably music.
Music?
My favourite subject at school is the art corner.
Is it? Wow. Alright, what else? What is your best memory so far?
This one's hard. Wait, like the longest memory I know.
No, so like the best memory you have from your life.
So like the best thing that I've ever had and I remember it. Well, everyone remembers this. Everyone in the world from this. But my favorite thing in my world, in my life, is being born.
You're a sweetie. And what is your favourite video that you girls have made so far?
This video.
Is yours this one, is it?
Yeah. I actually like this.
Maybe. Maybe a pizza one?
Pizza one, yeah. If you could meet any celebrity in the world that you love, who would it be?
Like famous person.
My favourite would be.
What's that girl? I don't remember her name, but she like loves the color green.
Billie Eilish.
Yes.
Billie Eilish.
Yes, she's my favorite.
Ooh, who would you like to meet, Aaliyah?
Kiki.
Kiki's Kim Kardashian. I'd love to meet Kim Kardashian. So Kiki's not really a real person, it's just a nickname. What about Jojo Siwa?
Like she's a celebrity?
Yes, she's a big celebrity.
What?
Okay,
Okay, she's
look at
Jojo.
that.
Mum, I'm going to try this without
Good, does
sour
that look
cream.
better than any nugget you'll get from a fast food store?
I choose Jojo actually. I did not know
Jojo.
she was a celebrity.
Yeah.
Mum, I'm gonna eat this without sour cream.
I am.
Yeah.
What else? Sorry guys, eating. What do you want to be when you get older?
Mummy,
Yeah?
can I try a bite of that one?
Oh no, that one's mine because I gave you on Destiny my last two.
Okay.
This is hard to choose because I haven't really been thinking much.
Wait, Mum, what did you ask her?
What do I want to be when I'm older?
What do you want to be when you're older? Do you know?
Me?
Yeah, you.
A singer.
A singer.
Yeah, because my voice is very good when I sing.
It is.
Yes, it is.
Voice of an angel as well.
What do you mean as well?
You do too.
No,
I'll sing my made-up song to you right now. Singing is my thing. Singing is what I do. Singing, it was made for me.
You're so cute. Your nana would be looking down on you smiling. She loved music.
I don't know what I would like.
Great nana, should I say. It's okay. You're not at an age where it's really important to know. I think you would make a fabulous dancer or a singer or a YouTube creator because you're already doing it. You don't want to do YouTube when you get older.
Oh, yeah, be in videos and stuff. But
Yeah. It's not hard to do.
But I have to learn first.
I'll show you how to do it all. It's easy. Careful with that, please. You don't want it to fall.
I want more nuggies.
Alright, so one more question and then that will be it for the questions. So, what is your favourite car?
My favorite.
Do you like fast cars, slow cars?
My
I know
favorite.
Aaliyah loves fast cars.
My favorite is fast cars.
I love fast cars. I just don't like going fast in them. My favorite car. It was easy for me to choose just as eating. Is a Lambo.
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Would you like to own one Monday?
Yes.
Yeah. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it?
Be my
Well,
dream.
You know what my dream car is? And I have been in one, but I've never driven it. A Maserati. I love Maseratis. And you know,
And then
they're
when we get older, we might be able to get a Lamborghini.
yeah. The badge for a Maserati is a crown, which is why I like it. Queen Melissa. No.
Queen Melissa.
Yummy chippies.
Queen. My mum is the queen of Maseratis.
So are they good?
Yes.
They look so good. Sorry guys, that's a horrible sound. Oh well. Oh, I'm gonna steal some chippies. I want some crunchy ones.
You got some nuggies there. You just did what?
Yeah, sour cream and soy sauce good together.
Try. Oh. Oh, look, it just looks like tomato sauce.
Tastes really good.
I'm worried. What if I
It's
don't like it?
Then it's just a waste of chips.
See? It's good. I'm not
It's
in.
a bit weird.
I'm gonna try it.
You're gonna try it too now?
It's a bit weird. I'm not sure if I like it or not.
So the girls were going to sleep over at their auntie's tonight, but they decided to stay home. So they might be going tomorrow night instead. And they might do a video while they're over there with their auntie.
Maybe. But I'm not going.
You might be staying here. I think these two girls need a bit of a break from each other. School holidays have been very testing lately, especially with me not being well. And my voice sounds horrible.
And me and you can have girl night.
So we got the yummy chippies, the sour cream, the tomato sauce, and a beautiful girl, and another beautiful girl.
Mum, can I stay?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Okay. Okay, should we say bye now?
All right, yeah. We're going to go now, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See
Hope
you
you
next time.
enjoyed.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Bye.
And make your own homemade chicken nuggets. These were so yummy. Bye.